In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sticky header on Shopify. A sticky header keeps your store's navigation fixed at the top of the page as shoppers scroll, so key links like your logo, menu, and cart stay within reach. This small tweak can improve navigation and reduce friction, especially on long product pages. Start by opening your browser and going to shopify.com. On the homepage, choose Login, then sign in using your email or another available sign-in method. Once you're in your Shopify admin, look to the left-hand sidebar and open Online Store. This takes you to your themes area. Next to your current theme, select the option to edit the theme settings. In many stores, this button reads Customize, and it opens the visual theme editor where you change how your storefront looks and behaves. Inside the theme editor, locate the section controls down the left side of the screen and navigate to the header area. Open header to reveal its settings. You'll see options that control your logo, menu, announcement bar, and overall behavior. Scroll within these settings until you find the appearance section. In this area, look for the sticky header setting. Change that setting to Always. In most themes, this immediately pins the header to the top of the page in the live preview, so you can see the effect without leaving the editor. Choosing Always ensures the header remains fixed no matter how far a customer scrolls. Some themes may offer other behaviors like showing the header only when scrolling up or disabling the feature entirely. For this setup, Always gives the most consistent experience. If your theme includes an announcement bar or a separate menu drawer, you may also notice dedicated toggles for those elements. The sticky header setting applies to the header group as a whole, and the preview is the best place to confirm how these pieces stack and how much vertical space they occupy. On smaller screens, a sticky header can take up more room, so it's helpful to watch the preview at mobile and desktop sizes as you adjust. That's it. You've enabled a sticky header through the built-in theme settings, which is the recommended approach because it keeps your store compatible with theme updates. When you're finished reviewing the preview, you can continue customizing other parts of your theme or return to your admin. Thanks for watching and enjoy the smoother navigation on your Shopify store.